In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send notifications to your own email about changes that are made in your spreadsheet right here in Google Sheets. So if you're collaborating with other people on one specific spreadsheet and you want to be notified if there have been changes made again by those collaborators, here's how you can do it. But first, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Going back to our video, if you want to keep up with any of the changes that your collaborators make with your file, what you can do is to send notifications to your own email for these changes. So how do we do this? First, you're going to go to Tools right here in the menu bar and select Notification Settings. On the right side, we're going to Edit Notifications. Click on that. And here we have our notification rules. So here you will see your email where again all those notifications will be sent to. If you want notifications on any changes that are made on the spreadsheet, you can tick on this option right here. But if you're dealing with other types of spreadsheet that involves forms or submitting forms, then you can tick on this one as well. Next, we have our notify me with either a daily digest or an email right away. So you have these two options and you can choose them both. First, you can have them emailed right away. There you go. You can save on this first notification rule right here. There you have it. And we can actually add another one where you can choose the same thing, any changes that are made, and then have them emailed with a daily digest. So this will be a compilation of all the changes that were made during that day. So you can save that as well. So not only are you emailed right away when any changes are made, you also have a compilation of all those changes with a daily digest. And there you have it. That's how you can send notifications to your own email for the changes that other people do on your spreadsheet right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.